Good day to the Secretary of the Department of Social Welfare and Development, Secretary Rolando Bautista, to the President of the International Federation of Social Workers, Ms. Silvana Martinez, our Chair of the Professional Regulation Commission, Board for Social Work, Ms. Lorna Gabad, fellow social workers, guests, friends. With great pride and honor, I welcome you to the 2020 Philippine Association of Social Workers National Convention. The organizer of this convention chose a very fitting theme to encapsulate what we want to achieve out of the three-day event. Social work under a new normal, struggles, resilience, and hope amidst the pandemic and complex emergencies. And because of our unique situation brought by the COVID-19 pandemic, we could not have chosen a better venue to hold our annual fellowship than through an online platform. The whole of humankind has been brought to its knees by a tiny invisible virus that made us fearful and helpless. None of us, except perhaps of you, could have imagined disruption on such a global scale as the one we are in today. Just like other professionals, as social workers serving in the front of social service delivery, chartered ways of doing work never we have done before. And as the saying goes, we should never let a good crisis go to waste. Great leaders have an opportunity to rise to the occasion in ways that they could not have in times of ordinary. And while we are fully cognizant of the pandemic impact on social work practice, I believe that we can meet those new challenges and emerge victorious as we embrace the opportunities that go with our profession's present realities. And so we want to make this online convention an avenue where we can assemble our virtual presence, promote authentic personal and professional conversation, and in the main, put together our critical insights and ideas and translate them into a congruent-specific and culturally appropriate social work knowledge and practice. Allow me to give my heartfelt thanks to men and women who made this convention possible, to the PASWI Secretariat, and to the hardworking committee who was able to do so despite the remote setup of preparation to stage this event successfully. I am equally grateful to our lineup of speakers who, without a second thought, generously shared their time and expertise to contribute to this convention aims. And to our associations of social workers counterpart from the different parts of the globe, thank you very much for your gesture of solidarity. Indeed, the pandemic brought out the best of social workers, and that is unity across time and geographical location. And to my fellow kamanggagawang panlipunan, you being here in this event signifies how firmly committed you are to continue learning and improving our social work practice. And it means a lot, especially to our mother organization, the Philippine Association of Social Workers. As part of our annual tradition, we'll give due recognition to our fellow social workers who made an exemplary performance in their own field of practice. We cannot discount the role played by the PASWI local chapter in the pursuit of providing quality services to their membership. The best chapter will also be acknowledged during the convention. With honor and pride, I would like to introduce the finalists to the Professional Regulation Commission 2020 Outstanding Professional of the Year. Dr. Emervencia Ligotom of Dumaguete Chapter, Dr. Edita Pagulayan of Tugigaraw Chapter, and our Outstanding Professional of the Year, no other than Maria Luisa Bermudo of Davao Chapter. Lastly, I would like to give thanks to the Almighty One up there who holds our future. The next normal is yet uncertain, But still, we continue to walk by faith and hope because we know in Him there is certainty. And with that, on behalf of the PASWI National Board, keep the hope and faith burning for humanity. Mabuhay ang mga manggagawang panlipunan. Maraming salamat po. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat.